Shenseea shows us her humble beginning, where she used to live before she became a big reggae superstar. Reggae dancehall superstar, that is, by the way. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Yes, so you know you have some artists where more open about them earlier life, you know what I mean, before them get money and thing. And we know such artists like Popcorn, who also know that say Bounty Killer talk about the ghetto and come from all the while. You saw me and say you have enough artists where just embrace where they started at and how them used to live before them get money. Now, we never see a lot of this from Shenseea, at least I never see, and if I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comment section. But now today she made a move that is kind of surprising and refreshing at the same time. You see me, I must say, so I'm comment there for that. So now what Shenseea did, she went back to where she used to live before she get into the music business, you know what I mean? So she have a video, she posted a video, and she posted a caption with it as well. So I'm going to show another video, and then we're going to read through the caption, and then, you know what I mean, we're going to open the comment section and tell me what you feel about this. So let's take a look at this video. Here it goes.
I'll go back on my old yard, man. People see my old yard, yeah, where I used to live before my bus. This is where I used to live. Yeah. Right on the veranda, I must stay and right jiggle, you know. Jiggle, and wine. Mommy, work hard. I'm looking 9 to 5. I'm building my little room. Sorry, I'm showing them my room. I'm building my cute boardroom. My mother, she built that thing about how she raised chicken. These are my favorites growing up. Jesus, me used to climb chocolate trees, man.
So thank you, Shenseea, for taking us on that little mini tour a while ago. Now, she also had a caption, like I said earlier in the video, and the caption reads as follow, right? Mommy was a single parent and worked living jobs. So during my high school years, I moved back and forth between relatives just to get a place to stay, then drop out of college, financial problems. I get a 9 to 5, help my mom build a board house just to call her home. Yes, we were in the ghetto, but a long time I have ambition. And I'm putting this out there for sure. Wanna say, don't give up. Know where you want to go and work for reach there. No watch the fox say you know no money. Take your time and make your moves. Even if they don't seem big, you never know what might happen or when your breakthrough is coming. And I always stayed prayed up. See me you know, a Shenseea. Yeah, big up yourself, Shenseea. So people want to think about, you know what I mean, the video was she show and the fact that she, you know what I mean, says she from the ghetto. I mean, Shenseea is far past this kind of living right now. And don't get me wrong, people, nothing is wrong with this living as a regular person. You know what I mean? Shenseea, them a superstar, they have their money. She work for her things. So, you know what I mean? She live different now. And obviously, she can make her mother live better. No. But, you know what I mean? For the rest of us, regular people, this is quite like sufficient, you know what I mean, roof over our head, and like she said, our mother used to raise chicken and so forth. A lot of us live like this. You see what I say? So I don't know who proud of where they come from or not proud of where they come from. I'm proud of where I came from, you know what I mean? Just like how Shenseea is. So when you get in the comment section, tell me what you think about this, right? Shenseea always a show what she had to know. So it's great to see that she really appreciate where she started from. And, you know, she mentioned that her first song, like Jiggle Jiggle, and the next one, Wine, I think, she wrote it on her veranda. You know what I mean? So it's from, what would I say? The gully to the money. I don't know, whatever you say still. But if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.